Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install Elementor add-ons. And if you'd like to follow along, go over to InstaWP.io to create your own disposable WordPress environment for free. Alright, so I have two of my favorite add-ons here. The first one is Happy Elementor Add-ons by a company called WeDevs. And this is an amazing plugin which gives you access to over 95 beautiful widgets. So let's have a look. Okay, so here we have 95 widgets and 21 features. And these are all broken down into categories. So you can go ahead and scroll through this page to find a widget that you like. And once you find one, you can actually click on it to view some more information. So let's take a look at this dual button. And you can view its documentation to go ahead and learn how to set up this widget. Okay, so let's view another plugin. So this one is called Stratum and it's by Motopress. So this plugin has clean and stylish widgets as well. So let's take a look at this page to see what's offered. Let's go over to Elementor widgets and let's choose one of these widgets. Let's take a look at the circle progress bar. Okay, so this is an example of how this circle progress bar could look on your website. And it's definitely possible to use multiple widgets at once. It could either be from the same plugin or from multiple plugins. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to go ahead and install Elementor add-ons. So I'm going to go to plugins and click add new. Now I'm going to search for Happy Elementor add-ons. I'm going to type Happy add-ons, just Happy add-ons. Okay, so it's the first result, so I'm going to click install now. And once it's done, I'm going to click activate. Okay, so choose the more suitable option. I'm going to say that I am a regular user. Click next once you've selected one. And here you can choose which widgets that you want to enable. And you can always click view all at the bottom of the page to view a full list of widgets. But I don't want to enable anyone in particular, so I'm just going to click next. I'm going to click next again. And yes, I'm going to contribute. I'm going to click next one more time and click done. Okay, so we have successfully installed Happy add-ons. Now let's go ahead and create a new post and edit it using Elementor. Click the plus icon at the top of the page next to new. Now let's give this post a title. I'm gonna type test and click edit with Elementor at the top. Okay, so this is the Elementor editor. So we have some free widgets on the left, which comes with Elementor free, and we also have Pro. Now we do have a link in the description to Elementor Pro. If you do go ahead and purchase Elementor Pro using our link, we will receive a small percentage of the sale at no additional cost to you. But this will help us to continue making these videos for you. Now let's scroll down this page to find the Happy Add-ons widgets. Okay, so here they are. Now remember, we did not enable all of the Happy Elementor add-ons widgets. So we just have these that we can see right now. If you do decide to go back and enable them, then they will be available to you. So let's take a look at this horizontal timeline. And this is an example of a widget that you will not find in the free version of Elementor. But luckily, an add-on pack such as this one would make it available to you for free. Now, let's compare a default widget to an add-on widget. So I'm going to look for a common widget. Let's see. Let's look for something like a button. So I think Happy Add-ons has a creative button. So I hope I enabled this. Okay, it's right here. So let's drag this to the page and let's find the default button from the free version of Elementor. So I'm just going to drag it to the canvas. Okay, so the Happy Add-ons button is styled heavier than the default button. You can change its style by accessing this style menu, and you can change the animation by accessing the effects menu. And this animation is something that you would not be able to achieve in the free version of Elementor, as you would need to use CSS code to achieve this animation. However, Elementor Pro allows you to use custom CSS code. And by the way, we can also turn on another cool feature called magnetization. So once you hover over the button, it will move. So this is another example of something that you cannot achieve using the free version of Elementor. You would have to actually use CSS code to style this outside of Elementor, unless you had the Pro version. Okay, so now you know how to install Elementor add-ons. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.